Hi, I'm Jeff Homsher. I'm owner of It's Alive Automotive. And we had this car come in the other day and I found it extremely interesting and I wanted to share it with you. What we're going to talk about today is a car that came in that the customer said would not run. So we pressurized the fuel tank. We weren't receiving any fuel to the pump. Pressurized fuel tank, got fuel up to the carburetors, got it started, and it ran very, very poorly. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So you can see the car's running very, very poorly, about as bad as you can imagine. Feels like it's running on 3 cylinders. I come down and I look at the two pistons, and only this piston is going up. The front piston is not moving. So we're running on 3 cylinders. My first thought is that the piston is stuck in the front carburetor. Get in there, move it, moves very, very freely. Second thought is someone had loosened to adjust the carburetors, the linkage between the front carburetor and the back carburetor, and also the carburetor linkage. And this was just slipping. So the butterfly wasn't opening to open that up. That wasn't the case either. You can see the butterfly is moving correctly and you can see it at both ends. Thirdly, naturally go to the diaphragm is torn. Went ahead and took the cover off of the carburetor and looked at the diaphragm. When I took it off, I looked at the diaphragm and it didn't look like it was in good condition, but it didn't look like it was torn. And pulled around, put it up against the light, and it looked like it was relatively solid. So I pulled it up, removed the cover, lifted it up, looked at the diaphragm, and I saw that the ports that allow the depression that occurs at the bottom of the carburetor from the Venturi effect was on the front of the carburetor. So then I looked at the little tab that is designed to position these to the back, which should be here, was over here, meaning that that piston was in 180 degrees out. Put the piston in correctly. We'll restart the car. Significant difference from when it was running with the piston in 180 degrees out. Thank you for watching the video. If you ever have any questions, you ever need any help, feel free to call me anytime. We're available and we don't care where you are. We'll very gladly give you information on what the challenge might be with your car.